catching feelings, baby.
Okay.
Let's go. Come on.
Nope. She doesn't want to. Okay. So we're just gonna explore hotel. And next one to mention. And yes, we're gonna get spice. It has to be quiet because people are sleeping. So there's ice right there. Which one? Number one?
One.
The pool is over here.
No, it's not very good.
Are they open?
Huh?
Are they open?
Well, you need the key to get in there. But we ain't gonna have time to go swimming. And I don't want her near the water.
Yeah, because it's 3 and 5 feet.
Come on, let's go outside. You okay? We need to go outside. Okay.
I'm catching feelings, baby.